Good morning, students. Today we start our section that is a linear equation in two variable. Then, what is linear equation in two variable? It is an algebraic equation involving two variable x or y, a or b, x, y, z. That is three variable. Then, okay, we continue our today's topic. Then, our continuation, exercise 3.5. Second question, the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Okay. Here, first question we already done. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. We already done. Then we pass on the next question. Second question, for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solution? Have an infinite number of solution. That is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Then we know that the infinite solution means the ratio of their coefficient a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Thus infinite solution means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to, our question 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and second equation a minus b into x plus a plus b into y. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. 3a plus b minus 2. Given data, there is an infinite solution. Infinite solution, that means linear equation, pair of linear equation has an infinite solution means the ratio of their coefficient a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then take the coefficient. First equation a1 is 2. 2 divided by second equation a2, a minus b. That means 2 divided by a minus b is equal to 3 divided by a plus b. That is b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b. Then the constant term 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Clear? Given that the equation has an infinite solution, that means the ratio a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Then 2 divided by a minus b, comparing 2 divided by a minus b divided by 3 divided by a plus b, 3 divided by a plus b, then cross multiply, that is 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b, that is 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Then 2a minus 3a plus 2b minus of minus plus 3b is equal to 0. That means 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b, that is 2a minus 3a plus 2b plus 3b is equal to 0. 2a minus 3a, simplify, 2a minus 3a is minus a plus 2b plus 3b, that means 2b plus 3b is 5b is equal to 0. This is our equation 1. Minus a plus 2b is equal to 0. Then comparing second and last, that is 3 divided by a plus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. 3 divided by a plus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Seven divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Cross multiply, that is 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b, that is 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. 9a, 3 into 3a, 9a plus 3 into b, 3b minus 2 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7 into a, 7a plus 7b. Then 9a minus 3a, 9a minus 7a is equal to 2a plus 3b minus 7b, that is minus 4b, minus is equal to 6. Clear? Simplify the equation. 9a minus 7a is 2a. Then 3b minus 7b is minus 4b is equal to 6. This is our second equation. The first equation is minus a plus 5b is equal to 0, and second equation is 2a minus, first equation minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. Minus a plus 5b is equal to 0, and second equation is minus a, this is our second equation, this is the first one, minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. Solve these two equations using cross multiplication method or substitution method, any method. From 1, you need which method? Cross multiplication or any other method? Substitution? Okay, we can use this cross multiplication method. That is our cross multiplication method is B1, B2, C1, C2, then A1, A2, B1, B2, B1, A1, A2, B1, B2. Then here this is not in 2A minus 4B minus 6 is equal to 0 and minus A plus 5B is equal to 0. C term is a 0. That is B1 is a minus 4, 5. C 6 minus 6, 0. Then A1, 2 minus 1. Then B1 again minus 4, 5. Minus 4, 5. This is for x, y and 1. Then x divided by minus 4, 0, 0 minus of that is a plus 30. X divided by 30 is equal to y divided by minus 6 minus 1. This is 6 minus of 0 into 2, 0. Then 1 divided by 2 into 5, 10. Minus 1 into minus 4, minus 4. That is equal to x divided by 30 is equal to y divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 6. X divided by 30 is equal to y divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 6. 10 minus 4, 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 minus 4. Okay. X divided by 30 is equal to y divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 6. Comparing 1 and 2, that is equal to x divided by 30 is equal to 1 by 6. A and B and sorry, it is of the form A divided by, oh, okay, x. Okay, x is equal to 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5, and y divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 6, that is equal to y equal to 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Listen, our equation is 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Here, instead of a, we take x, and instead of b, we take y. Okay, instead of a, we take x, and instead of b, we take y. Then x divided by 30, then y divided by 6, and 1 divided by 6. Okay, last we change insert. That means that implies a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. A equal to 5 and b equal to 1. Here, instead of x is equal to a and y equal to, we take y equal to b. Write this in the bracket, x is equal to a and y equal to b. That means a equal to 5 and b equal to 1. A equal to 5 and b equal to 1. Okay, clear? Or you can use the substitution method and find the value of a and b, or using elimination method and find the value of a and b. Next question. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? Here 3x plus y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. We know that the pair of linear equation has no solution means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. The lines are parallel. No solution means the lines are parallel. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay. Right? The linear equation has no solution. Then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That question. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That is 3x plus y is equal to 1. First equation 3x plus y is equal to 1. And second equation 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y. 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equal to 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Comparing the coefficient, the ratio of their coefficient. 3 divided by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2k plus 1. Comparing the ratio, a1 is 3, a2 is 2k minus 1. b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1. c1 equal to 1 and c2 is equal to 2k plus 1. Is not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, first we compare these two. That is 3 divided by 2k minus 1. 3 divided by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1. Cross multiply. That is 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. Open the bracket. 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. That is 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. That is my k is equal to 3k minus 2k, k is equal to 2. The value of k is equal to 2. Clear? Given our question, it has a no solution. That means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Clear? Then comparing the coefficient, take these two equations. First two equal to relation. 3 divided by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1. Then cross multiply, open the bracket, simplify the equation, then find the value of k. K equal to 2. K equal to 2. Clear? k equal to 2. Okay, right? Then next question. Solve the pair of linear equation by the substitution and cross multiplication method. Solve third one. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution and cross multiplication method. Use two methods. Substitution method, find the answer and verify using cross multiplication method. This question number 3, homework. This question, homework. Okay, third one, homework. Then pass on the next question. Fourth question, form a pair of linear equation in the following problem and find the solution if they exist by any algebraic method. By any algebraic method. Okay, first question, word problem. A part of a monthly hostel charge is fixed. A part of a monthly hostel charge is fixed. And the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A take food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who take food for 26 days pay rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. That fixed charge B, we take the fixed charge B X and fixed charge B X and charge for the food is a Y. Charge for a food on the number of day one has taken food in the mess. Each charge for each day's food is a Y. When a student A take food for 20 days, 20 days means X is the fixed charge and Y is the charge for food. That means 20 into Y. 20 days, 20Y. Charge is 20Y. That is X plus 20Y is equal to 1000. That is the first equation. Then a student B who take food for 26 days, that is a fixed charge is already fixed, that is X plus then how many days? 26 days. 26 days that is equal to 1180. 1180. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Okay. Let X be the right. Let X be the fixed charge. And Y be the charge for a mess or food for each day. Then first condition, a student takes 20 days food and he pays rupees 1000. That is fixed charge is fixed, that is X plus 20 days food means 20 into Y is equal to 1000. Equation number 1, X plus 20Y is equal to 1000. Then next one, a student paid rupees 1184. 84 how many days? 84 26 days. That is x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Okay. X plus 20y is equal to 1000 and x plus 26y is equal to 1180. That is equal to, using any algebraic method, it is simple for a elimination method. Here x coefficient of x is equal, therefore we use the elimination method. X minus minus equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Use the elimination method. That means if x coefficient is eliminated, that is 0x minus 20 plus 20y minus 26y is minus 6y. 1000 minus 1180 is 180. Minus 180. That is y is equal to, that means y is equal to minus 180 divided by minus 6. That is equal to minus 180 divided by minus 6 is 30. This is 30. Y equal to 30. That is a charge for a food. 1 day food is equal to 30 rupees. Then substituting the value of y in a first or second equation, substituting value for first equation x plus 20y is equal to 1000, substituting y is equal to 30, that is x plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. That is x plus 20 into 30 is 600 is equal to 1000. X is equal to 1000 minus 600. That is equal to 400. The fixed charge be 400 and the charge per day, charge for 1 day mess is equal to 30 rupees. Clear? Write that the fixed charge be 400 rupees. B rupees 400 and charge for 1 day mess is equal to rupees 30. Rupees 30. Clear? You can use any algebraic method, substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. Okay. Next question, second question, a homework. A fraction become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it become 1 by 4. When 8 is added to its denominator, find the fraction. A fraction become 1 by 3. Consider that let the fraction be x by y. It become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator, that is x minus 1 subtracted from the numerator means x is the numerator, x minus 1 divided by y is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Then cross multiply and find the linear equation. Then second condition, it become 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. What is second condition? x divided by y plus 8. 8 is added to the denominator y plus 8. Then it is equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply and find the solution. Okay. Then pass on the third question. Yash scored 40 mark in a test, getting 3 mark for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. He got total 40 mark, 3 mark for each right answer and 1 mark for each losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Then had 4 mark been awarded for each correct answer and 2 mark been deducted from each for each incorrect answer, then second condition, 4 mark be awarded for each correct answer. Correct answer 4 mark, losing 2 mark for a wrong answer. That is the second condition. Then Yash would have scored 50 mark, 50 mark. How many questions were there in the test? How many questions were there in the test? Okay, read the question. 40 mark for that is a 3 mark correct answer and 1 mark losing 1 mark wrong answer. Second, 50 mark 4 mark correct answer and losing 2 mark wrong answer. Clear? Okay. This let x be the number of correct answer. Sorry, x be the number of correct answer. Correct answer. X be the number of correct answer and y be the number of wrong answer. Mark is given. Wrong answer. X be the number of correct answer and y be the number of wrong answer. Then total question is x plus y. Clear? X be the number of correct answer and y be the number of wrong answer. Then total question is x plus y. Then what is our first condition? 3 mark for a correct answer and losing 1 mark for a wrong answer. That means 3x total correct answer mark 3x minus 1y, that is a y, is equal to 40. Correct answer 3 mark means x question correct means 3x mark. Then y question wrong means 1 into y, 1y, that is losing. We subtract 3x minus y is equal to 40. Clear? Then second condition, total 50 mark, 4 mark awarded for a correct answer and 2 mark for a wrong answer. 4x minus 2y. 4 mark for correct answer. Correct question is x and that is 4 into x, 4x mark for a correct answer and losing 2 mark for a incorrect answer, wrong answer, that is a y wrong answer, that is 2 into y, that is losing, subtracting, that is minus 2y is equal to 50. Okay. Then using elimination method or substitution method, you like which method? 1 into multiply equation 1 by 2, that is a convert y term into the form 2, that is a 6x minus 2 into y minus 2y is equal to 80. Then 4x, no need for multiplying, 4x minus 2y, here y term is the same, is equal to 50. 6x multiply first equation by 2, that is a 2 into 3, 6x minus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 80. And second equation same, that 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Then subtract that is equation number 3, this is same equation number 2, that is 3 minus 2, equation 2, 3 minus equation 2 minus of minus plus minus, that is equal to 6x minus 4x is a 2x minus 2 plus 2 that is equal to 0y is equal to 80 minus 50 is a 30. X is equal to 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 50. And y is equal to, substituting the value of in the first equation, y, 6x minus 2y is equal to 8, or second equation, that is instead of x you write 6 into 15 minus 2y is equal to 80. 6 into 15. 6 into 15 is 90. Minus 2y is equal to 80. 2y is equal to, minus 2y is equal to 80 minus 90. That is minus 2y is equal to, this is minus 2y is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 5. 80 minus 90 is 10, that is minus 10 divided by minus 2 is 5. Then x is equal to 5, 15 and y is equal to 5. The total question is total is equal to x plus y, that is equal to 15 plus 5 is equal to total 20 question. 20 question. X plus 5 total 20 question. Okay.